Hi everyone. Like I promised that I'm going to do free tarot reading on the 13th of every month for everybody. So here I am again. I'm just going to wait for some people to join in and let's see how this first attempt goes. Hi Payal. Hi Rishika ji. Hi Nikki. Payal Khanchandani, could you check about my career? Yeah, okay. Let's see. Payal, do you have a specific question, or do you want what do you want me to check about your career? Okay, you have to be specific, guys. I don't need your date of birth. That is a confidential data. Please don't share your date of birth on an open platform like that. Stephanie, hi sir, how are you? Can I have a card relationship? Yes, Stephanie, you may definitely, and I am fine. Thank you so much. Hope you are. All right, great. Thank you so much for sharing my post, Steffi. Um, do you have a particular question regarding your relationship? I'm doing a tarot reading, not a oracle reading. So yeah, you will have to ask me specific questions. But I don't need your date of birth. Payal, you will have to be specific. Check about your career. What do you want me to check? Nikisha sir, having a lot of financial problems. Can you please check about my money matter and career business? All right. Okay, Nikki, this one's for you. Well, actually, Nikki, if I say that by the year end the things will be better, it will not be a surprise because, honestly speaking, financial issues a majority of people are facing because of COVID-19. The entire market is shut, and there is no circulation of money happening in the market anyway. So yeah, wait till the end of the year, and 2021 should bring good news for you. I see a good partnership coming your way which will definitely benefit you. All right. So this one was for Nikki Shah. All right. Payal says I'm looking for a job. All right. Okay. Great. Let's see. Payal, I don't know what kind of a job you are looking for and which field you are looking for, but I see that you should go ahead and apply for as many jobs as you can at the post, considering the current situation. But don't really worry about it because, I do see the situation changing and I do see a favorable job coming your way. All right. There will be a lot of challenges initially in this job, but then definitely give it about 6 to 8 months and those challenges will go away. So just do your best. All right. Rishika Kaushal says guidance for the future. All right, Rishika, let's see what pulls up. Rishika, money wise, be a little cautious. Don't invest in money. Don't lend money to anyone, and you should be sorted. Future looks all right. Just be careful on the financial front. Don't give out money to anyone. If you have given money to somebody and you are expecting them to return, I don't see that happening very soon in the future, unfortunately. Steffi Lavana, when can I get reconciliation with my husband? All right, let me see. All right. Second, I'm so sorry you're facing all these troubles. It does look, uh, that there's a lot happening in your life at the moment, which is not really pretty. But give it some time. I would say give it about 8 months or so, and things should sort out. Completely during that time. That's the maximum time frame that I'm giving you. But you should see things moving within 2 months itself. Okay, Dominica. Hello, Anuj. How are you today? I'm good, thank you. Hope you are too. Could you please check for me any progress around finances, please? All right, let me see. Dominica, I see your financing sorting it themselves out. I hope you can see. This is the Ace of Cups. It's a beautiful abundance card. What you should, I mean, my advice to you is don't really reveal your plans easily to people. When you do that, you attract a lot of negative energy. So I see a lot of negative energy around you and your finances. If you keep a check on that, then definitely I see getting a hold of your finances and things moving smoothly, and abundance and prosperity coming your way. There is another simple remedy that you can do, Dominica. What you can do is, and in fact, anybody who's watching who's wanting to attract more finances or abundance your way, what you can do is on a Friday, take a dark green color candle, smear it with honey, roll it in sugar, and burn to attract, on a Friday, to attract abundance and prosperity in your life. All right. Sudhir, by looking for a job. All right, Sudhir, I think this is for better. I hope my journalist friend is doing good. Long time. Let's see. Um, yeah, Sudhir, I do see a change of location for you. Unfortunately, there is either it's a change of location or there is a lot of travel involved in this new job of yours. All right, I do see you working under a female boss. This situation will resolve soon. Do comment and let me know if that makes sense to you. Rumi Bakri, please guide on my career. Rumi, you will have to ask me specific questions. Gurmeen Sahani, sorry, I wish to know about my career, which is the best industry to follow. I have recently shifted from teaching to an online customer care content writing job. All right, okay. Guys, I encourage you to please share this post in groups and with other on your timeline, and on um, in other groups, if you can, that will be great. It's not mandatory. I will pull cards for you. If you do type a question, I'll try and cover as many people as I can. But if you do share my post, I'll really appreciate that. Thank you so much. All right, Gurmeen. Well, the online customer care and content writing job does look good for you. However, I see a lot of struggle that you are facing, especially your superiors are not so kind to you. Okay, but don't take this in to your bed. I mean everybody has tensions. Everybody faces that in their lives, but my suggestion to you is, when you are about to go to sleep, go to bed, don't think about those, because if you sleep well, you'll wake up fresh, and then you'll be able to put in a better energy, so to say. I would also recommend that for the next 11 Mondays, keep one cigarette on a four-way crossroad. This should definitely benefit you. If you want to do that, you can do that. Garima Tujeja. Hi Garima, good to see you. Please share the post. That will be fantastic. It's my son is in the 10th standard. Which stream he should opt in? Will he be successful in the future? All right. Okay. Great. Garima, the stream that he has his heart set up on, I don't think so that he has taken that decision. Thinking about all the perspective and everything. If he goes to some profession that is, nature related and somehow it is related to water and air element, that should be beneficial for him. So you can definitely go ahead and look into that. Okay, so I would say get into the science side. That will definitely be wonderful. Purva, hi Anuj, how are you doing? I'm doing well, Purva. I hope you are too. Mohammed Ghulam Rabani, I'm from Bangladesh. Well, hello, my Bangladeshi friend. How are you? Dominica, thank you so much. Have a blessed day. Thank you. You too. Take care. Rumi, shall I start the online workshop? Is it the right time? Okay, let's see. Yes, Rumi, you should definitely start the online workshop. That will definitely benefit you. But let me warn you, it is going to be on and off. Okay, the result is going to be on and off. So these are thanks, bye, that you remember me. Can you please give me a hint? When will I get the new job? Just wait. Okay, wait for it. It's not the time, Sudhi. Neha Ajmera, hello sir, I just passed 10th standard, want to know about my career. Neha, what do you want to know? You have to ask me specific question. Gurmeen, thank you, we'll do that. Well, excellent. Do let me message me, Gurmeen Sahaniji, and let me know if things change. Jaspreet Kaur, you just shared my post. Thank you so much. So I'm going to do the reading for you first. All right. What my husband's current feeling about me, if he loves me, I want to be back in his life. Okay. All right, Jaspreet. Jaspreet, your current situation, your husband definitely loves you, but, he's not, the current situation in his life is such that he is not able to come back to you. Once that situation or that individual is tackled, and then this person, your husband will come back to you. I don't want to share a lot of details, but I do understand and hope that you understand what I'm trying to say. Okay, so उनकी आंखों की पट्टी जब हटेगी तो वो definitely वापस आ जाएंगे. Neha Ajmera, which stream is best for me? I don't know, Neha, what your question was. Okay, you just passed 10th standard. All right, okay. नेहा, आइडियली स्पीकिंग जिसमें आपका इंटरेस्ट है, जिसमें आपकी ज़्यादा अच्छी पकड़ है, वही करना चाहिए बेटा आपको. बट for if you really want me to share something, I think commerce is a good side for you. Do something with finances, do something with money. That will definitely benefit you. Okay, guys, I really appreciate you guys sharing my post. If you want me to answer your questions, please share my posts. Once you do share the post, it gives me a little notification saying sharer. So if I get that, I will definitely pull the card for you. Kavita Kabra, please share my post. Pragnesh, hello sir, I want to ask on behalf of Nishant Dade, should he wait for admission in aerospace overseas or start hunting a job nearby? Why is Nishant not asking me? Why are you asking? And also congratulations once again, Pragnesh. Nishant, beta, I think you should wait for some time. Look for something nearby. Get on hands-on experience. And, we'll look about this aerospace thing probably next year. All right? Jaspreet ji, to answer your question, I think it is too soon to say that. The situation is still developing. Um, I don't really understand what you're saying. Is he come himself in life or marriage finished with divorce? डिवोर्स हो चुका है या हो रहा है ये सिचुएशन मुझे नहीं मालूम है, बट आई डोंट फील कि आपका डिवोर्स अभी हुआ है. आई डोंट थिंक कि डिवोर्स होगा. प्लीज कमेंट करके डिटेल में मुझे समझाइए डिवोर्स हो गया है या होने की कगार पे है, क्योंकि मुझे लगता नहीं कि आपका डिवोर्स हुआ है और मुझे लगता नहीं कि आपका डिवोर्स होगा. देयर इज स्टिल होप इन योर रिलेशनशिप. Alright guys, I've read for about 7-8 people. I will do a couple of more. I'm just waiting for people to drop in. नहीं हुआ है. Yes, होगा भी नहीं, मुझे लगता भी नहीं. Jaspreet ji, I don't see the divorce in your life at the moment, but yeah, no divorce. All right, Garima. Don't say he's not really great. When you say things like that, you end up manifesting it in the universe. So don't, say that. But again, let him aim and gun for his studies in the science section. If things work out, then they work out. You never know. He may be able to pick it up. Okay, great. And also, you and I were, both commerce background. So even if he comes into commerce, it's not such a, not a bad deal. You know what I mean? Kavita, I shared. All right, Kavita, let me see what your question was. Kavita Kabra, I'm not able to. Okay. Hi. When will shift in my new apartment? Thank you, Anuj. Okay, you're looking to move. All right, let's see. Again, the card, Kavita says, give it about 5 months. So that's almost end of the year. And after that, you should have a happy move. Okay, I would also recommend that you don't make that move in 2020, because 2020 is definitely not the year to make major decisions. So yeah, I recommend that you do that next year itself. All right. If you're planning to buy a new house and your question was, will I be able to move into my apartment? Yes, you will be. Give it about a year and things will move out. Taruna Sahdev ji, please share the post and then comment, and then I will pick up your question. Selva Kumar Hanush, please guide me about way to recover from constant health issues for my wife. The shifting house will help. Selva Kumar, please share my post and I'll answer your question. Garima says thank you. You're very welcome, Garima. Good night. Praveen said lots of gratitude. Thank you, sir, very much for all your support and blessings. Well, my support and blessings are always with you. Great. Guys, if you want me to answer your question, please share my post and I will definitely answer your question. Kavita said, right. You are so right. No, I'm just waiting. Thank you. You're very welcome, Kavita ji. Take care. God bless you. Dheeraj, namaskar, Anuji. Namaskar, Dheeraj bhai. Dominica, if possible, could I please also ask if I ever meet my soulmate? Yes, Dominica, you may. Please share my post. That will be wonderful. Well, love-wise, Dominica, my suggestion for you is to look around you. Your soulmate is definitely around you. You're just ignoring this guy. Okay, so pay attention to this guy who's tall and lean and has short hair. and he's not very muscular. He has a lean and a fuller body, but a lean structure. There are no muscles, and definitely clean shaved. Look out for this guy. Nitesh Ajmera ji, please share my posts, and I'll pick up your question. Taruna Sadev, please share my posts. Share the post in a group or on your timeline, and then I will pick up your question. This is a half an hour session, guys. 20 minutes over. I will only read for people who are sharing my posts. So please share my post and then type in your question again, and I will. Nitesh, Sheikh, sir. Okay, great. Nitesh ji, your question, I'm just trying to pull it up, okay? Lost my job and having loans. When can I get a new job? Okay. Nitesh ji, have you already applied for a job? Nitesh ji, I don't really see the job coming your way so soon. But this is not the right time, unfortunately. You will have to stick it out, okay? अभी थोड़े सा समय आपके फेवर में नहीं है, बट प्लीज़ आप थोड़ा सा वेट करिए, समय ज़रूर बदलेगा. ऑलराइट नितेश अजमेरा जी, थोड़ा वक्त लगेगा आपकी जॉब और आपके फाइनेंशियल इश्यूज सॉल्व होने में. इट विल टेक टाइम, बट दे विल डेफिनेटली बी सॉल्व्ड. ओके धीरज, एनी गाइडेंस फॉर मी ऑन माय फैमिली फ्रंट? धीरज, कितनी गाइडेंस? हाँ, सब ठीक है और सब ठीक होगा. एवरीथिंग इज गोइंग टू बी गुड. द व्हील ऑफ फॉर्च्यून. और क्या चाहिए? Everything will be good, slowly and steadily. Okay. Nitesh ji, wait for this year to go. Taruna, my daughter is in the 12th class. After that, which stream is best for her future and success? Taruna ji, she should get into something creative, and also something. When I say something creative, I mean she should think about advertising and all that, public relations and stuff like that. That will definitely benefit her, and that's when she will get success. Okay. Alright guys, quickly share the post, this live feed, and then type in your question. Dominica, thank you. I will look out. Blessed be. Blessed be to you as well. Alright guys, please type in your question, share the post, type in your questions. Nitesh Ajmera says thank you. Thank you. God bless you. Take care. Good night. Okay, just 5 minutes left, and then I will end the session. Thank you, Selva, for sharing my post. And your question is, please tell me about the new way to recover constant health issues and also shifting house will help. Okay, let me see. Well, shifting house will definitely help, and I think Yeah, it should be a good decision. Currently, the energies of the house is not really working in your favor, but for 1 month, my remedy to you is, in the mopping water, mix, 2 tablespoon of whiskey, and then use it for 1 month and see if situation improves. Okay, if it doesn't, then you can go ahead and move and look for a different house. Okay. There's more power and gratitude to you, Anush Bhai. Thank you so much. So these says, thank you, Anush Bhai, that you remember me. Of course, I remember you. Thank you. Siddharth Paliwal, hello sir. I really want to know when will I start earning. I'm suffering a lot recently. Well, I'm sorry, Siddharth, that you are facing through this issue, but please share my post and then comment. It will give me a notification and then I'll pick up your questions. Thank you so much. निकिशा सर, विल आई बी एबल टू मैनेज हाउस में? आप वर्कशॉप्स शुरू करिए पहले. आई थिंक वर्कशॉप वाला क्वेश्चन आप ही का था. Start your workshop and let's see how it goes. Guys, please share this live feed on your timeline or in any group. Once I get that notification, only then I will pick up your question. Thank you so much. Server says, okay, thank you. God bless you, Kumar. Take care. Suryansh T. Hello, I want to know how I can focus on my studies and which stream should I take. I'm in the 10th standard. Suryansh, pehle post share karo beta, and then I will answer your question. Nikisha, I didn't ask about workshop, sir. All right, okay, वो कोई और था. तो आपका क्या क्वेश्चन है, मैं देख लेता हूँ निकी. Will I be able to manage house expenses and husband lost their job? Okay, let's see. Well, Nikki, there is an opportunity coming your way. Definitely, you will be able to manage your finances. And as far as your husband's job is concerned, उनके पास भी कुछ ना कुछ opportunity आने लगी है. या तो वो, if he's planning to do his own business, I think that's also a good idea. If he's planning to get into a job or he's applied for a job, that also should work out in his favor. So give it about 2-3 months. ये situation solve हो जाएगी. Suryansh T done. Okay, great. Suryansh, your question was 10th standard, what stream? Okay. Suryansh, again, get into a stream that interests you most and you have a good hold over the subject. But then again, if you do something, for future, concentrate on getting into event planning and advertising and event hosting and things like that. Get into a job that has a lot of travel. That will definitely benefit you in an authoritative designation post. So according to this, if you get into commerce, it will be very, very good for your career. Siddharth Paliwal, I did, sir. Okay. Siddharth, I'm just looking for your question. Siddharth, could you type your question again? All right, okay, I saw it. I really want to know when I start earning it. Okay, Siddharth, have you applied for a job or you've not applied for a job? I don't know. But your financial situation will definitely improve in another 6 months. Don't get into partnership. Partnership is not for you. All right. Ria Malik, thank you so much for sharing my post. It says you are a sharer. General reading. Okay, great. Let's see. Ria, I am happy that you asked for a general reading, because there is a situation or an opportunity that is coming your way, and be very careful as to what decision you take in this, because it could end up into argument. Okay, somehow money is related to this situation, so just be careful on the money front and everything is all right. Okay, Ritu Nenwal, please share my post and then I'll pick up your question. Swapna, please share my post. Pinky Sangvi, please share the post and then I will definitely. Guys, please share the post and then I'll pick up your question. Suryansh, thank you. Present till what time it could be? Okay. Suryansh, this year is troublesome for most of the people, but your family situation will improve in another 3 months. Okay, give it 3 months and it will definitely improve. Do message me and let me know after 3 months if your situation, increases. I mean, not increases, but if it changes for better. Okay. Ritu Nanwal shared. All right, great. Rituji, I'm going to pick up Ritu Nanwal's question and then I will pick up one more and then I'm going to end this session. So if you really want me to, the first notification that I will get about somebody who shares the post, I will go ahead and pick their question. Ritu Nanwal, I want to know about my relationship with... Does he love me in the future and we will get together? Well, Ritu, you have your heart set up on a very, very arrogant man, but he's a very laborious man, mehanti hai, which is a good thing. Definitely your situation and your relationship will improve. Right now, I think love is not his priority, but if he does get into a relationship with you, it is going to be good for him, and if you get into a relationship with him, it is going to be good for him. So yes, there is a possibility in the future. All right, great, fantastic, guys. I'm just going to pick one more and then I'm going to end the session. Okay, I'm going to pick up Sadhuram Luthra ji's question. It says, I am 68 plus. What now? I am healthy. General reading. Absolutely. आप अपना आशीर्वाद हम पे बनाए रखिए. पहली चीज तो आप ये करिए, बुजुर्गों का आशीर्वाद हमेशा हमेशा इंसान को कामयाबी की तरफ ले जाता है. एंड यू आर अ ब्लेसिंग फॉर योर फैमिली दैट यू आर स्टिल विद देम. आपके तजुर्बे से उनको गाइडेंस लेने की ज़रूरत है. Also because मेरी जो practice है, that works a lot of ancestors और people who have come before us, हमें उनके wisdom को और उनकी knowledge को हमेशा झुक के सलाम करना चाहिए. So general reading for you sir. सब कुछ ठीक है. हेल्थ फ्रंट पे भी आप अच्छे खासे हेल्थी हैं. मॉर्निंग वॉक अपनी जारी रखिए, मास्क लगाइए, सैनिटाइज करिए और सब कुछ अच्छे से करिए. एंड एवरीथिंग लुक्स ऑल राइट. कुछ नया, कुछ चैलेंजिंग करने की कोशिश करिए, कुछ सोसाइटी के लिए करने की कोशिश करिए. गेट एसोसिएटेड विद सम सॉर्ट ऑफ एन एनजीओ. इफ यू वांट टू गेट एसोसिएटेड विद माय एनजीओ, मुझे इनबॉक्स करिए, मैसेज करिए and I'll send you the link and then you can pick that up. Pradeep, hi, I'm good. Pradeep, how are you? Hope life is treating you good. All right, guys, I'm just going to end this session now and with Vandana Chaudhary's question, and then I will not take anybody's question. Okay. Vandana ji, what is your question? Vandana Chaudhary. All right, Pradeep, I'll pick one up for you. Don't worry. Vandana Chaudhary, please comment and let me know what is your question. Meanwhile, let me just pull one for Pradeep, okay? Pradeep, general reading looks fine. There is a change that is coming your way, and somebody has promised you something, but then don't pay any attention to that. वो जो दिखा रहे हैं वैसा है नहीं. They're only trying to show you stories. I hope this makes sense to you. I'm only waiting for Vandana Chaudhary. Vandana Chaudhary, please tell me what your question is, and I will not take any more questions now. God bless you, dear, says Sadhu Ram Luthra. Thank you so much, sir. Vandana Chaudhary, please tell me your question quickly. Devya Sharma shared, sir. Devya Sharma, I haven't received any notification, but I'll take your word for it. And I'll put a general reading. Everything looks nice. थोड़ा spending habit पे control करिए, Devya Sharma. Just control a bit on your spending habit. And I don't know if you are married. There is some sort of a good news coming your way. Maybe you're trying for family way or something. I don't know. But if that is the case, or you're looking to get married, there is some, marriage coming your way. Vandana, stop saying thank you. Just tell me what your question is. Okay, now I've got the notification. Can you tell me about when the financial condition will improve? Okay, great. Vandana ji, financial situation अभी जैसी है वैसे ही चलेगी. At least ये year end और next year भी February मार्च के बाद जाकर ही फाइनेंशियल सिचुएशन बेटर होगी. तब तक ऐसी ही चलेगी अनफॉर्चुनेटली. ओके. Siddharth says, sir, I guess I'll ask you briefly in your next session. Absolutely, Siddharth. Or guys, I have decided that I'm going to do this free tarot reading session for everybody on the 13th of every month. हर महीने की 13 तारीख को मैं ये फ्री सेशन इस पेज पे किया करूँगा. प्रोसेस बिल्कुल सिंपल है. अपना मेरी पोस्ट को शेयर कीजिए और जैसे ही मुझे नोटिफिकेशन मिलता है आप अपना क्वेश्चन टाइप करिए और मैं वो क्वेश्चन कर दूंगा आंसर. Alright, the process is very simple. Please share the post. As soon as I get the notification and you type your question, I will pick your question up and I will read for you. That is the only energy exchange I'm asking you. I will do these sessions regularly on the 13th of every month. Alright. Simpa, yes. How should I prepare myself for upcoming time? What do you mean? I don't know what you mean, Simpa. But if I am thinking what you are thinking, because we had this conversation, you don't really have to, do anything. Let life unfold the way it is, and it will be to your best and, to your own benefit. Vandana Chaudhary, the only remedy that I've given everybody is that on a Friday, take dark green candles, smear it with honey, roll it in sugar and burn to attract abundance and prosperity in your life. Okay, so you can also do that. Everybody, whoever is listening, there are about 70-80 people who are listening right now. So all of you can do that to attract abundance in your life. All right, great, everybody. Thank you so much. I'll see you next month on the 13th. God bless you. Take care. And God bless you. Love you. Bye-bye.